Welcome back with another After Effects tutorial. Today we are going to create the animated gradients background. Let's get started. Create a new composition. 1920 by 1080 resolution, frame rate is 30 and duration is 5 seconds, and hit OK. First of all, we will make the shape. Click the shape icon and select the star. Fill color white and stroke to none. Now hold down the Shift key and make the few stars in the comp. I am fast forwarding this step so you don't have to wait. Change the color to black and make more stars in the composition. Now right-click and create a null object. Now right-again click and make an adjustment layer. Select the adjustment layer and hit the Ctrl+ space bar. The effect console panel will appear. Search the effect CC Reptile effect and apply it. Go to the effect panel and in CC Reptile expand the right value 4000. Select both shape layers and pick the Pick with tool and parent with null layer. Highlight the null object, hit P for the position to apply the animation. Click on the stopwatch icon to create the keyframe. Go to the very end of the timeline and change the X value to very few thousand. Make the animation. Select all the layers and make it pre-comp and click Move Attributes to the comp and rename the comp with Shapes. Now right-click to make solid for the background and pick the solid color for it. Highlight the Shapes layer and hit the Ctrl+ space bar. The effect console panel will appear. Search the tint effect and apply it. Search for the directional blur to apply it. And last, another effect to be applied is twirl. Go to tint and apply pink and light blue color to it. In the directional blur, direction is 30 and the blur length is around 700. And twirl angle and twirl radius to 60. Lastly, create another adjustment layer and search for the noise effect. Set the noise amount to 10% and uncheck the use of color noise. Check the preview. It helps blend all to motion. It's helpful. With these few steps, we created the motion gradient background. In the next technique, we use the solid to animate with few effects and create lava style background. First right-click and make a new solid. The color doesn't matter, whatever you like. Hit the Ctrl+ space bar. The effect console panel will appear. Search the CC Reptile and another effect is for color gradient to apply. Apply another effect and search the fractal noise. And search for the twirl. Go to the effect CC Reptile and expand the right value to 2000. Left down and up all should be 1000. For 4 color gradient, pick the dark yellow color. Second color is orange, third is dark brown, and the fourth is dark green. I am fast forwarding this step so you don't have to wait. For fractal noise, noise type to block. Contrast 200, brightness to -30. Complexity is 1. Blend mode to overlay. Click the Transform tab and rotation is -35. Check the uniform scaling. Scale width to 1300 and scale height to 600. In twirl angle 230 and radius 35. Next, we will apply the expression on the effect. Go to the 4-color gradient, and on the point 1 hold Alt click the stopwatch icon and apply the wiggle expression in the parenthesis 0.5, 500. Highlight the expression, copy it and paste on the other points as well. Next, go to the fractal noise and hold Alt click on the stopwatch of the evolution. Type time 150. Now press R for rotation. Hold Alt to click the stopwatch to apply the expression time 15. In the last, create the adjustment layer and apply the noise on the layer just as we did in the last composition. Check the preview. It's done now. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.